Well, hello and thanks for tuning in for this video. We'd like to introduce you to an optional benefit that is available to our customers when they purchase a vehicle here, and that is our prepaid maintenance plans. And there are three available, as you can see: cars, trucks, and diesel. The plans are very similar. Really the only difference is on the diesel, and I'll get to that here in a moment. You can see the price for the plans there at the bottom. Let me go over what these cover for you. The main thing it's going to cover for you is 3 years maintenance. That's going to include the oil and filter and the tire rotations. That's where the diesel difference comes in. The diesel does not include the tire rotations, but for the cars and trucks it does. The vehicle can be inspected. Those changes take place every 5,000 miles. So if you're someone that drives a lot of miles, this plan is especially beneficial for you because you can get as many oil changes as you need in those 3 years at those 5,000 mile intervals at that same price. Another thing this plan will do for you is the $100 customer referrals. We pay $50 for referrals right now. If you're part of this program, that'll bump it up to $100. So if you bring us a customer and they buy any vehicle, you're gonna get $100 from us. $1,000 reimbursement benefits for the 3 years. You can see what it covers there, and I'll get into that a little bit more here in just a second. And then also $500 discount on your next vehicle. So when you spend money in our service department, 50% of every dollar spent gets added to your card, and then that can be applied towards your next vehicle purchase with us up to that $500 amount. So again, I'll back out here and just kind of give you the quick overview again of the plans, the costs, and what they have available on them. Okay, so let me get into that $1,000 reimbursement benefits for the 3 years and what that's going to cover for you. Okay, so this is all the paperwork that comes with it when you sign up for it. And this gives you a little bit more as far as what those will cover. So the travel interruption, $50 per day to the maximum benefit for expenses if you're more than 100 miles away from home and your vehicle becomes disabled. The road service reimbursement, $25 per occurrence to maximum benefit for emergency road service for delivery of gasoline, repairing your flat tire or battery boost. Emergency towing reimbursement, $25 per occurrence to maximum benefit for towing in the event that your vehicle is disabled and needs to be towed to the dealership. Key lockout, $25 per occurrence to a maximum benefit for the locksmith service in the event that your keys are locked inside your vehicle. And the insurance deductible reimbursement, $50 per occurrence to a maximum benefit for vehicle insurance deductible you have paid on insurance claims for glass breakage or collisions. So that is, again, the $1,000 reimbursement benefits for the 3-year term. So this is our prepaid maintenance plan. Give you one more look there. Good chance to pause the video so you can look at that more in depth if you would like to. And these plans are all available for the vehicles that you purchase here. When you go into our finance office to sign off on paperwork, you'll be given the opportunity to purchase one of these plans if you would like. Again, they are optional, so it's not something you need to do, but it is something that's available for you. So thanks for watching. If the prepaid maintenance plan is something that would serve you well, please consider it during your next vehicle purchase with us at Kriegers.